Hey guys, this is Victor with 413 Group, and today we have the pleasure of talking with Grandmaster Val Pableo of Pableo Eskrima with eVALution Amarra Fighting Concept. So Grandmaster Val, tell us a little bit about yourself and what is your background in FMA?
My background in FMA, I started training when I was when I was in high school. I was got bullied, so I go to the headquarters. I used to train judo first,
Okay.
then karate for a long time. Then in the end of our training is Eskrima, Filipino Martial Arts. That's the last hour of training. I participate tournaments. So I started back in when I was 14. So I started competing. The old style is very more effective when you start learning, because I understand and I get everything of it, because that's the way you have to learn proper respect, proper foundation about how you hold, how you adapt, and how you execute.
So Grandmaster, why does the old system need to be evolved?
I travel around the world and I see all different styles. That's why I come up with this idea, because it needs to evolve, adapt, and upgrade. That's why I come up with the ideas of eVALution Amarra Fighting Concept. I'm Val Pableo of Pableo Eskrima. eVALution Amarra Fighting Concept. This is 413 Group.